Can or could. So could is the second form of can. Remember it. Well, the first use of can is showing ability, whether you are able to do something or not. So the first use is ability. For example, she can play football. This is her ability. So we are expressing ability of somebody in our sentence. And that ability is she can play football. She can speak English. You can do this work. The second use is showing a request or requesting somebody. Could you please do it for me? So when we request somebody, we use second form of can, and that is could in our sentence. Could you please do it for me? This is the second use of can as a modal. Now the third use of can is permission or order. When we seek permission again, but remember, can is mostly used in informal English. Only when the uses of can or Sam to that of may. So can is used in informal English. It is used as an informal English. You also seek permission by using the modal may. But then what's the difference? By using modal may, you are seeking permission from higher authority, and that becomes the formal itself. But when you use can in case of permission here, that time it becomes a kind of informal English. So it depends on you, depends on your mood, and depends on the situation. You can use may or can. Permission or order is a third use of can. You can go. So it means higher authority is giving you permission to go. You can go. May I go? Yes, you can go. So this is giving permission or order. Second example, you can take my book. You can take my shoes. You can take my pen. This is how we show permission or order by using can as a modal in our sentence. Coming on to the fourth use of can as a modal, then it's used to show prohibition or offer. When you prohibit somebody from doing something, when you forbid somebody, you can use can as a modal by showing prohibition. For example, you can't enter the room. This is the prohibition. You are prohibiting somebody from entering the room. So this one is prohibition. You can't enter the room. Second one is offer. Can I get you some eggs? I'm offering somebody. Can I get you some eggs? So this is when we make an offer to somebody, or when we offer somebody something. At that time you can also use can as a modal.